Hi friends, today we are going to talk about one area menu, which is a bunch of transaction. So you don't need to learn the transaction code by heart. You can just enter one. This is for IDOC. Who doesn't use IDOC? You go to S4HANA, you go to SAP, you go to the old system, anywhere you will use IDOC. So what is the magic area menu name? Is WEDI, WEDI. Okay, so you just type in this, and here you can see the idoc display idocs. So you can double click on it and you can find all the idocs. This is the first transaction of the many transactions you will have. Then you have the administration, partner profile, port definition, idoc administration. So here you can see WE46, where you can disable or enable any type of workflow related idocs. Okay, so by default it's always enabled. Then you can find the idocs. Okay, so you can do active monitoring. Okay, here you can see idoc monitoring. You can see from what is the rest. You can put the recipient of notification, and you can very much actively idoc monitor for this. Then you have Idoc Statistics, which tells you what are the statistics for error history. So if I execute on it, here we don't have anything. So let me go a little, probably uh, for 3-4 months behind. And if I run it, I hope we don't have much errors in the system. So here you can see in my docs we have this current status, current in error, or we have a bunch. So you can see 6390, which has reached in error. So you can always find it from just one particular area menu we are getting. So all this information you are getting. Then you have display status, SM58. You can see the transaction RFC. Then we have the test, which is probably WE19 transaction, where you can test it. You can do status file, you can do other stuffs, a lot of things. Okay, then you have the development piece, of course, that will be required. You will create idoc segments and all those things. Inbound process settings, BD51, WE57, inbound processing code, so on and so forth. And last but not the least, we have the control piece, which is, you have the idoc styles, you have status, define status value. I've not used this, but I'm pretty sure you would be able to use forward, inbound, idoc, and all those things. So all these transactions you don't need to remember by heart. You just type in WEDI and that's it, and you will be cruising. That's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great